So what I'm going to take you on a little bit of a journey into that next phase after a bachelor's degree, and what we can provide here at SUTD in terms of unique learning and career advancement opportunity, in terms of our core, which is being able to create innovators, and for those innovators to innovate while they're here and when they go out, to talk about our programs at the master's level and doctorate level, and then to show you a little bit of the life of a graduate student here. We're a research-intensive university. Research allows us to be at the forefront of technology and to take advancements in knowledge to the next level where it makes a difference in society. 4 strategic areas that we're considering. First of all, cities. We have the second LKY Center in Singapore, which is Center for Innovative Cities. And we're very much focusing on how SUTD contributes to cities, the elderly, but in particular, Singapore. Aviation. Aviation, when you might think of it first, you might think of the aircraft, but it's much more than that. It's the industry. It's about Changi Airport as a city within a city. It's about all the offerings in terms of supporting the aircraft industry and all the spin-off industries that come out of that. Healthcare, we have wonderful relationships like with Duke NUS, with Changi General Hospital, and many others. And we're pushing the envelope there to really offer undergraduate and graduate programs that align with this push, not only in Singapore, but worldwide. A cross-cutting or horizontal element is in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Every one of our graduate students will be exposed and develop a skill set in one facet of that, but also be able to pursue it across our pillars and clusters to meet their dreams and their aspirations. We just were rated a couple months ago as in the top 10 in the world. No other Singapore university has rated this in telecommunications, and the graduate programs, the research, and the innovations that we've created out of that. And what a wonderful honor as a young university in showing the capability of our research and graduate programs. We have 2 types of graduate programs. We have master's and doctoral programs. Master's programs, we have 4, and I'll go through each of these. And they cross everything from the ability to enter and find your own pathway through, designed for each graduate student, to particular programs in urban sciences, in electronics, etc. The doctoral programs, we also have 4. Again, doctoral program that allows you to connect with faculty, the labs, the centers, in any way the graduate student sees fit. Alternatively, some other ones that are focused, an engineering doctorate for more of the applied side. An industrial doctorate allows you to connect with your company and work on their problems and have them fund you. So all of our programs will require a bachelor's degree, certain proficiency in English. This intake is in September. The website is here. And let me end, which to me is one of the most important parts, graduate student life. Last stop along the way. And let me show you a quick video of our graduate students having a little bit of fun. So again, just a quick shot at, you do have fun in grad school. You get to concentrate on something that you don't get to the rest of your life, and you get to live your dreams working with lots of people, interdisciplinary from other fields. Some pictures, you get to work with faculty, get to work with staff, get to work with external partners, and all the programs we have set up for that. And then again, get to engage people that are of the age and of the interest pursuing graduate programs with you across all of our pillars and clusters. Thank you for taking this journey with me. We've reached our destination. I would encourage you to seek more information and come join the SUTD family. It's a great place for graduate programs. Thank you very much.